Hello students, today we'll solve exercise 4.1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So multiply x square into 10. So minus 10x square, here minus 3x. So we have to find the factors. If we divide both the factors, we have to get minus 10x square. If we add or subtract, we have to get 3x square. So 5x into 2x are the factors. 5 2s are 10x square. Here both up and down we have minus sign. So add minus sign to the greater number. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. If I take x common, so remaining is x minus 5. Here if I take plus 2 common, so remaining is x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in this equation x minus 5 is common. So we have to take x minus 5 as common. So remaining is x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 2. The roots of the quadratic equation is x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So now question number 2. Question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Again we have to do the same. 2x into minus x minus 12x square x. So we have to find the two numbers. If we multiply, we have to get 12x square. If we add or subtract, we have to get 1x. So 4 3s are 12. 4x into 3x. So here we have to get minus sign. Here we have to get plus sign. So 4 3s are 12x square. Minus plus 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if I take 2x common, remaining is x plus 2. If I take minus 3 common, 3 as common, so remaining is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So in this equation, if I take x plus 2 as common, so the remaining is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus 2 is the roots of the given equation. So question number 3. Question number 3 is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So again multiply this both 5 into root 2 into root 2 x square. So root 2 is root 2 into root 2 can be written as 2. So 5 2s are 10x square 7x. So the two factors are 5 2s are 10. So both side plus 10x square plus 7x. Root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. If I take root 2x as common, so remaining is x plus, we know that 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 is remaining. Plus if I take 5 as common, so x plus root 2 is remaining is equal to 0. So if I take x plus root 2 as common again, so remaining is root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 2 and root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. So root 2 is equal to By transporting 5 to that side, it will become minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So question number 4. Question number 4 is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So by taking LCM, we'll get 8 2s are 16x square minus 8x plus 1 whole divided by 8 is equal to 0. By transposing this to that side or by multiplying this to that side, we'll get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a required quadratic equation. So now we have to find the factors of it. 16x square minus 8x. So factors of 16 is 4 4s are 16, 4x into 4x. So here we have to get minus. So minus 4x, minus into minus, plus 16x square minus 4x will become minus 8x square. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. If I take 4x as common, so remaining is 4x minus 1. If I take minus 1 as common, so remaining is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. If I take minus common, so the negative will become plus and positive will become negative. So in this equation 4x minus 1 is common, so 4x minus 1. If I take 4x minus 1 as common, so remaining is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So both are same. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So the roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 because both are same. So question number 5. $100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 100x square into 1, 100x square, so minus 20x. So 10 tens are 100. So minus 10 into minus 10 will become plus 10x square. If I add this minus 10x, it will become minus 20x. So 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. If by taking 10x as common, so remaining is 10x minus 1. Here also if I take minus 1 common, so we'll get 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So common, by taking 10x minus 1 common, 10x minus 1 common. If I take 10x minus common, so remaining is 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore both are same. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 as both are same. So second main question number 1. John and Jivanti together have John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of the marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So let me consider solution. Let the number of marbles John had be x marbles, and Jivanti be y. So they together have 44 marbles. So we know that in quadratic equation we have to do in only one variable, x or y. So x plus y both together have is 45 marbles. If John had the marbles be x, then Jivanti will be So y, we have to represent y in terms of x, will get 45 minus x. So y is equal to 45 minus x. So Jivanti have 45 minus x. Now both lost 5 marbles. Therefore John is equal to x minus 5 and Jivanti 45 minus x minus 5. So it will become 45 minus 5, 40 minus x. So from the above question we know that the product of the marbles they have is 124. The product of marbles is 124. So by multiplying x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 124. So x into 40, 40x, x into x minus x square, minus 5 into 40 minus 200, minus 5 into x plus 5x is equal to 124. So 40 plus 5, 40, 5x minus x square minus 200 is equal to 125. By transporting LHS to RHS, will get x square plus 45x plus 200 minus plus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. So it is plus 24 is equal to 0. So x square plus 45x plus 200 plus 124, 324 is equal to 0. So we have to find the factors. So 324x square and 45x. So factors are, see I know the factors. So 36 into 9. 36x into 9x. So by transposing this, so negative will become plus and this positive will become negative. So minus 45x. So I have to add minus on both sides. So the required equation is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. By taking x common, x minus 36, here I will take minus 9 common, then the remaining is x minus 36 is equal to 0. X minus 36, if I take x minus 36 common, so remaining is x minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 36 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 36, comma x minus 9 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 9. So the factors are 36 and 9. Hence the number of marbles they had to start with 9 and 36. Now question number 2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The toy cost production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So 55 minus. On particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Solution. Let the number of toys produced in a day be x. So let the number of toys produced in a day be x. Then cost of production. So in question they have gave cost of production of each toy on that day be 55 minus x. So here again 55 minus the toys of production. Therefore the total cost of production is production is equal to 750. So we know the total production is 750. So x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. So x into 55x, x into x minus x square is equal to 750. By transposing LHS to RHS, we'll get x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. We have to find the roots of the given equation. So 750 x square 55x. Say note the roots. So 30 into 25 is 750. So 30x 25x minus 55. So we have to put both side minus. So minus into minus plus minus. So by add minus 30 minus 25x, it will become 55x. It will become 55x. So x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. If I take x common, so remaining is x minus 25. If I take minus 30 common, so remaining is x minus 25 is equal to 0. So x minus 25 is again common, so remaining is x minus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 25 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25. X minus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 30. So the number of toys produced on that day was 25 or 30.